It's frittata time. All right. Got our coconuts fried. Need to egg it up. Quick pause. There's our 7 eggs. Mash the yolks. Alright. Got a couple big peppers, so we'll throw those on first. We want those to sink to the bottom. Or actually get pushed to the bottom. Didn't get that many yellows. A lot of orange in this one. Very, very little reds. Was going to do some broccoli rabe with this, but last minute I was like, oh, this is good enough. If I'm making a burrito, I could throw the all in. Break up some of the turkey sausage. Burnt the out of the bottom of my pan. I killed this pan. I need another. Next month I start getting Google jump change. And I'll buy another pan. Was going to throw a little Parm Romano on top. Nah. We're going simplistic tonight. Alright, we're going to try to flip this. If we're successful, you'll see it as a video. So what you want to do is always push your ingredients down into the bottom of the frittata. If you're not going to flip it, don't waste your time. If you're not going to try flipping it, don't waste your time. You want the egg fully permeated into the ingredients you're adding, because that'll hold it together if you are trying to flip it. Alright, that was good to go. That's my dinner.